Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking quick braised eggplants in dried shrimp sauce. So let's start cooking. In collaboration with Pots and Pans Culinary Studio, we are launching an incredible cooking course featuring our loved recipes. Join us in our exclusive local Chinese delight course. Sign up with the link below or scan this QR code. See you there! Now we'll put our dish together. Heat up your wok, add in a suitable amount of oil. A little bit more oil is needed for this. I'm using medium-low heat. You can do the same too. Just swirl it around. We'll start by adding 2 whole shallots chopped. Put them in your pan. 20 grams of dried shrimps, which I've rehydrated and chop it up roughly like this. This is where the flavors will be at. Put everything in. We will fry them until they start to turn brown. Move them around, don't burn them. We want to get the flavors out from the dried shrimp as well as the shallots. This will take about a minute or so. For our vegan friends, you can actually replace the dried shrimp with dried mushrooms, shiitake mushroom. Just rehydrate them and just chop them up. Wow, the aroma that's filling up my kitchen is really crazy good. Okay, now we add in our garlic. Add in about 3 cloves of garlic chopped. Now this is optional. I'm adding in 1 whole red chili chopped up. I've deseeded it because I want the right kind of spiciness without the heat. If you prefer something a little bit more spicy, you can change this with bird's eye chili. Right? Just put them in. But if you want something that's not too spicy because you have kids at home, then just omit the chili, no problem. Fry them up until fragrant. Wow, this is really looking good. Continue to fry this over medium-low heat. Now once you can start to smell the beautiful aroma, we'll add in our seasonings. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Just to have a beautiful darker hue, I'm adding in approximately 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Mix them all up. Wow, this is really smelling so good now. Now we add in 200 milliliters of water. To balance up the taste, add in half a teaspoon of sugar. Mix them up well. Turn the heat now to medium. Now we add in our brinjal. I have with me over here 330 grams of brinjal cut into strips like this. Now after cutting, please submerge them in salted water or salt water so that they will not oxidize. Just pour everything in. Mix them up a little bit. Try to make sure that every one of the eggplant has contact with this beautiful sauce that we are making over here. Now we'll put the lid on and braise this for 5 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. 5 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Wow, look at how pretty this is. Really good. Now we give this a light stir just to mix it up a little bit. Beautiful dish. We'll thicken this up with a little bit of cornstarch solution also. Just pour it in a little bit at a time and then just sway around just to thicken it. Something like this will be good. Now all we need to do is just top this up with some beautifully cut spring onions. And now it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Really good. Sauce over the rice. This will be fantastic. It really smells really good. Let's try this. Whole piece of eggplant. A little savoury, just a little bit of spiciness from the chili, the umami from the dried shrimp. This is really fantastic. Try a little of this with the rice. Mix it up a little bit. This is going to be so good. Oh. You must try this. Really good. The rice with the sauce, with the eggplant. Oh my god, this is really fantastic. Very easy dish to prepare and super delicious. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's time to cook. See you. Bye bye.